Today, how work gets done is changing. Today, businesses are modernizing the way people work together. Today, GoToMeeting is revolutionizing the way people are brought together. Today, we welcome you to the reimagined GoToMeeting. Shaped by more than 10,000 customer conversations, GoToMeeting is easier to use, faster to join, and still delivers the most reliable, video-first meeting experience. Crystal clear audio and video is delivered through a redesigned interface with simple, easy-to-use controls, keeping technology from getting in the way of work. During meetings, transcripts, highlights, action items, and notes are captured and organized, streamlining and simplifying follow-up. On the road, a modern experience is available with your mobile device, enhanced with distraction hiding, hands-free commuter mode. In the office, GoToMeeting easily integrates with Outlook, Google Calendar, Slack, and more, enabling you to collaborate the way you want. It's time to experience the future of collaboration. It's time for GoToMeeting. It's time to kick some business.